Okie dokie, before we start watching some trains, let's look at some more smiling faces from our 3,000 subscriber giveaway. This first one here is Mr. Wayne Jenkins. Fine looking young man. He won one of the matching Clinchfield books. And check out that shirt. Matching Clinchfield clothing. You can't beat that. All right. Now the next picture is a father and daughter. This is Todd Self and his daughter Julia. And Todd won the black cover version Clinchfield book. Now Todd has a YouTube channel. It's HSC Rail Fan. So you want to check him out. And his daughter also has a YouTube channel. And her channel is Music and, the and symbol, Trains, all one word. And I love her channel. You can tell she's an artist. Like my videos is just my big old head and then the train going by. You can tell she picks out a scenic spot and frames everything before the train comes by. And it's almost like watching a moving picture. Very, very good channel. So you want to check both of those out. So, okie dokie. Let's head to Moodytown.
Southern Rail Fan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Rail Fan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, we're over at Moodytown. It's a little bit after 8 a.m. and we're waiting on a pretty good sized northbound M692. DPU is really earning its keep. Sweet. Okie dokie, we're back over at Moodytown. It's about mid-morning now. We're going to catch northbound M652. Okie dokie, back at Moodytown for the next train of the day. This is northbound empty ethanol train. I believe he's calling B628. Okie dokie, that empty ethanol train went up to Sevier to meet southbound M653. So we're back over at Moodytown to catch the passing of the M653. Okie dokie, that's my video for today. I was going to film P60, but either he's not running tonight or he's super duper late. So it's going to look like he's going to be coming by, if he runs tonight at all, after dark. But yesterday's video, if you watched it, I was going to say something and I forgot what I was going to say. I remember now. I've picked up some brand new cars for the layout. This is my first brand new model train purchase. Sounds like a little CSX action might be happening in the background, but it's going to be dark before either one of those gets here. So anyway, we'll see what we can catch tomorrow. See you then.